Welcome back. Today we're going to be doing something I don't normally do on my channel. We're going to do an unboxing. And if you know my channel, you're familiar with it. The builds I do, they're slow and meticulous and planned out, and they usually take a little while to get the parts together and to get them built. So for that reason, I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing because I'm super excited about the product in here. So this is, I'll just say this is a mystery body. That's all you know at this point. How a true hobbyist unboxes with a hobby knife. Very well packed. And there are the goodies. A little more, and I believe that is it. So we've got a little further to dig, it looks like. So got a little tape to get off here. That out of the way. And what do we have here? Look at this beauty. This is a resin printed FJ, I guess 55 with the truck bed. But this is super sweet. This is from WT Micros. So that is the Etsy seller that I'm a big fan of, that I get all of my really scale custom printed resin wheels from. So definitely check out WT Micro if you're not familiar with them, but man, this is gonna be super cool. The only other place I know making something similar to this is Flub RC. But again, it's a different look. Similar, but a little different. But just super awesome. So as you can see there's a hinge built in. The roof needs to be glued on. Looks like we've got the bed, the drop-in bed, and the sliders, and we've got mag mounts. And what's really neat about this is that it's designed around the OGRC carbon fiber LCG chassis rails. So I believe those have like maybe a tilted skid, potentially, that these sliders work with. So I've actually got that chassis on order, and that's going to be here in a little while. But yeah, if you can see these skids, they're set up for that angle. So if your skid's angled, then it keeps the sides flat. So I was debating using this on maybe another chassis, but since it's designed around that OGRC LCG carbon fiber frame, I figured I'd go ahead and put it on what it's intended for. So just super awesome. So I've got some paints ordered, thinking about some colors for this thing. But man, I don't know about you guys, but I am just super excited about this thing. Take a look underneath. So it looks like a mag spot there, and then the hinge on the back. But this thing feels really solid. You can see how thick it is, and just the detail is just awesome. Look at that, just insane. Gonna put some headlights in there, gonna put some lenses in there, and oh, this does come with lenses, of course. How could he not? He's so scale and detailed. So you've got the clear plastic lenses, so a little bit of modeling skills, a little bit of glue involved, a little bit of painting, and you got your mags for the chassis. So just something I wanted to share with you guys, let you know this is out there. So jump on Etsy, check it out. So I can get that to focus a little bit better. There we go. And give WT Micro your business, because I sure think he's got great products. But anyways, I think that's going to do it for this short kind of unboxing, but hope you guys are happy to see this as I am. But I think this is just super cool, and can't wait to get a build going with it. But like I say, it's going to be down the road a little ways. So anyways, I think that is all for today. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.